Hi everyone, I'm Emily from Toronto Dermatology Centre, and today I want to talk to you about the award-winning XLV Cutera laser and Laser Genesis. It is the gold standard laser for vascularity. Why I particularly love this laser machine is because it can actually treat over 20 unique skin conditions. It uses 2 different wavelengths, and it can treat anything from fine telangiectasia, diffused redness, rosacea, to deeper, darker veins of the legs or the face, poikiloderma, angiomas, venous lake, port wine stain, and uneven pigmentation. How does it work? It delivers pulses of light energy that causes the blood within the vein to coagulate, which then eventually causes the vessel to disappear, and your body will eventually reabsorb it. Typically, 1 to 4 treatments are needed depending on what you're treating. So another great gem of this laser is the Laser Genesis, which utilizes a 1064 wavelength. It's indicated for treating fine lines and wrinkles, dilated pores, large pores, acne scars, uneven pigmentation, and helps to also tighten the skin. Typically 4 to 6 treatments are needed, and it uses micropulses of laser energy in the skin. It goes way past the skin surface, so deep within the skin's layers, just above the dermis, the papillary dermis, stimulating all the collagen and therefore helping to close up the dilated capillaries.
Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the treatment, and I'm going to treat some of the fine little vessels that she has on the sides of the nose, and she also has a few angiomas on the neck. Okay, and we may also treat leg veins. Okay? So again, it uses the sapphire cooling, so it shouldn't be too bad. How does that feel?
It's fine, it doesn't feel hot at all.
Great. Okay, so and you can see it's going to darken. Here's a tiny one here. And we are going to magically erase them. How you doing? Yay! Nice veins here. We're just going to magically trace these veins away. Magic eraser. How you feeling, okay?
Good, yeah.